China Coast Guard vessel 5303. This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Cabra MRB 4409. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 86.8 nautical miles from the coastline of Hermana Mayor Island, Santa Cruz, Zambales, Philippines. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are party, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intentions. Your illegal activity will be reported to higher authorities. Over.